Hey Levi, you want some sour punch? I think the shop's for this.
Aww.
You boys like Mexico? Yeah!
Doesn't look pretty.
You made a mess.
It's required. I'm just gonna thin it out, get rid of stuff we don't need. Like, we don't have a master flow anymore, so that needs to go. Relocate the IAT to the charge pipe, which is up right there by the throttle body. Other than that, I mean, it should be pretty cake. I've done these harnesses more than I care to. The good thing about this whole build is that we're doing it the way we want to, how we want to. I mean, we do have like a budget, but the way we're going about it.
Yeah, Brian's expressed multiple times that it's already gotten out of hand, so why stop now?
Pretty much. It's just we're in the nitty-gritty part of it right now, where the old harness, I mean, this thing is like stiff.
You don't have to replace any wires though, huh?
No.
You just need to extend some.
Yeah, extend some for the injectors. Those of you that have these trucks know that the harness goes over the intake on these, and we're kind of want to go around and under. That way we don't melt wires back and forth. I've already relocated the pull packs. There's literally not going to be anything up here that you can see, you know, if you're looking right at it, but at the same time being serviceable. And there you have it. Harness.
Cthulhu. Dude, this is a mess.
No, you won't have to disturb the harness too much. It's gonna keep, you know, somewhat the same original shape. I gotta add the input speed shaft sensor for the 480. It looks like a lot, but it's really not. The cleanup is what takes the longest, honestly. Oh, we gotta change all these Multec injector plugs to the Denso, because we're running 210-pound injectors on it. I said it before, this truck did not know what was gonna happen to it.
You just ripped out its brains.
Brain surgery. What do they call that?
Neurosurgery?
Cranioscopy.
What?
Cranioscopy, is that even a word?
Is that when they go up your butt to your brain?
No, I'm not a doctor.
I don't believe this man's ever been to medical school. Richard made a mess. You should come see it.
Do I really want to fall for this again? I got a glimpse of it and I already want to have a stroke. Buddy, all we had to do was put the injectors and fuel rails on. That's all.
Yeah, but it would have.
You're literally going on vacation in 2 days. And all this has to be back in here before you go. So, to Richard's family, if you're wondering why he isn't with you next week, this is why. This madman. You're like a toddler. You were too quiet over here for too much today, and I come and check on you, and this is the shit that you're doing. When that happens in my house, there's toys everywhere, walls are written on. I have some concerns.
I know this harness like the back of my hand. Pick up a plug.
Pick up a plug? You want me to stump you, huh? I mean, I know what most of them are just by looking at it. That's the IAT one right over there.
There is like.
That one's too easy. What is this one, Richard?
That's the EVAP, that's going away.
Ah, nope, that's staying on, federal government. Right, what is this to? Liar. So do you want me to cut it here, or?
Oh, hello. So, I didn't go on vacation. Got a lot of projects in the shop we gotta finish up before I can actually leave this terrible place. Fuel cells in, I gotta put the pumps in. Running the fuel lines. You weren't here for the wire harness, that's done. Injector wiring goes underneath the intake manifold. Map sensor's running in the back, mounted to the firewall. That way if it ever has any issues, I don't have to pull the intake manifold off. Everything's completely serviceable at the track. So if that messes up, and just regulator has been ran. Still got to wire up the fans. Still a laundry list of things to do, but my job for this week is to get this thing fired up and running so it can go to suspension next week.
So what's up with the fuel in the back?
Oh, glad you asked. We talked about this in the previous video. The reason why we went with the fuel cell is because they're usually sumped, right? Somebody could argue that we could run an inline fuel pump. We don't want to do that. We've maxed out several inline fuel pumps over the years. I think a nice Walbro pump is more reliable anyways, so what better way than to set up 3 of them. The advantage to this is to get rid of the stock tank. I don't want to run 3 pumps in the stock tank anyways, because the opening on the stock tank is right in the middle of it. If you launch this thing hard enough, all that food's going to slosh to the back and you're going to pick up air. And that's just going to make it lean out. You do that enough times, you'll melt something. So, next best thing, we put it all on the bed. FC3's mounted, batteries right here. Just got to plumb and wire that stuff now. I've won a couple of days, kind of just been scrambling to get this thing done. Not because I'm trying to leave or anything, just because I'm trying to
not because
get this
you
thing
want to go on vacation.
just trying to get this thing ready for the suspension shop. And we've known Vic for a couple of years now, and I don't want him to struggle moving this thing around. I still need a battery tray. I need battery cables. So when Brian gets back, hopefully we can send him on a trip to collect this stuff for me while I finish this fuel system, and we'll just go from there.
Hefty boy.
Hey, don't tip the hoe over. There's 93 in there.
93. It might as well be water.
You're making a mess.
That you'll have to clean up.
That's right. It's 4x4, but I don't think we can jump all this stuff.
Relax.
No, you relax.
You got me here all week.
And this bitch is on fire until Saturday afternoon.
Keep it up. I'll make it that way.
I can keep it up. Ask your spouse.
Stop.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm rocking the boat. Yeah, you called us out here. I was watching videos.
I didn't call you out here yet.
Sorry, I'm not like anybody else you're used to. I come when I want. What's for lunch, Adam? Nothing? Alright, Kevin?
Subway.
No, Subway's nasty, bro. You and Jared's footlong. I ain't interested.
Wing.
Wing? I'm just gonna say it. There's no such thing as boneless wings. Those are chicken nuggets. Thanks, Jesse.
What are you doing? Go to the list.
What the fuck? Wow.
What'd you run over?
Oh my God.
box.
Jeez.
I did it on purpose.
I know you did.
Sometimes I think we went with too small of turbos. Like, we should go bigger already. I'm Mary Poppins, y'all.
Want to get rid of this one?
Yes, take it up.
All of it.
You gonna run an actual exhaust all the way back, or just have them?
We'll have it dumped for now.
You like little?
No. That's just the door now.
Ooh, we should put a secret in there, like some fruit snacks.
I could probably mount like a battery kill switch, all kinds of stuff. I don't really have any plans for that door. They'll probably just shave it off whenever it goes off the paint. Or we can get one of those AutoZone carbon fiber door stickers to put on there, make it look sick. You can find a receptacle for like a EV car, stick it in there, just take it somewhere, just park it and like plug it in, walk away.
It just has the port in it.
In college, they used to have like a eco car parking only, and some of them have charging stations now. When I made my car flex fuel, I would park there, and I got like rode up like twice, but like it runs on flex fuel, it's eco friendly.
It's a lot of space without a gas tank.
And the weight's gonna be even now, except for the driver, but we can account for that with the suspension parts that I don't want to disclose. Once the truck is dropped on the wheels that we're gonna run, fill it up, all the fluids, and we're gonna sit Brian in it, and I'm gonna adjust the suspension, get it, you know, a good little baseline for it, and go test it. But that'll be a couple of weeks from now.
Has he picked out the wheels?
Everything's backward. I would like to see bead locks on the floor.
That'd be dope.
Sick. This drive shaft will work, but I'll probably just send it off to get high-speed balance, or maybe just make another one. What the hell? I thought we had drum brakes in the back.
So is it all of these metal lines?
These are transmission cooler lines. That's what I thought. We're gonna get rid of those. Maybe not right this minute because we still have the 460 in here. We gotta still put the 480 in the trans cooler somewhere. I gotta figure that one out too. Can we present the Preston? Humble beginnings.
We'll just call it crumble beginnings.
Even though my friend of 10 years, Kevin's my favorite.
Favorite worker?
Like, legit, hate all of you. We hurt workers over here.
Well, I'm not hurt.
No, you're hurt.
Like you said yesterday, they went to go get some. They went to the protein.
Oh yeah, they went to go get the protein shakes.
Protein.
Yeah.
If I were to ask, hey man, let's go to Best Pro Shop this time. You tell me to fuck up.
He's like, look, I'll find a gym where you live at and we can go to the gym in the morning. I said, man, no, you gotta do that. Everybody knows you're Kevin's shop favorite. Bullshit, who said that? Shit, Levi just got it, he's the second favorite.
Shameless plug. In order for us to come up with new merch, just go ahead and click a link, go to our website, buy some merch, please. Clean us out so we can design better stuff in the future. And put the website right here. We do have some sick ass designs coming up though.
Yeah, there's some in the works. We're just trying to figure out a good time to drop them.
Super secret squirrel stuff. So out of the stock fuel pump wiring, we literally only need one wire, and it's gonna be this gray wire right here. This is gonna trigger our FC3 controller in the bed. The rest stays. And no, you know what? I'm wrong. I apologize, guys. We also have 2 fuel level wires are coming with us as well.
That's the wrong wire.
Yeah. Pretty much 2 for the level sensor. That's built into that fuel cell. I think it's compatible. I do think it's a 0 to 90 ohm sending unit. Main thing right now is getting it running. So I just need this signal wire, which this is the old power wire, but I'm gonna use it as an enable trigger for the FC3 controller to trigger all 3 pumps. We're gonna run the pumps full time, all 3 of them, no hot switch. I'm not a fan of hot switches or any digital controllers that trigger the pump as boost comes on. I'd rather the pumps already be on. This thing's not gonna be driven a whole lot. It'll make a car cruise. It'll You know, jump it up on the road, but it won't ever be a daily driver. So I'm not worried about the pumps running full time and heating up the fuel or nothing crazy like that. Hi, Ryan.
You gotta feed the
Return line. Wow.
nice one.
There's a light right there.
Uh-huh. He's a grower.
Hey, you better watch out for your cakes.
Is that for the blinker fluid?
Yes.
Kinks. They're good in the bedroom, but they're bad when running fuel lines.
Yes. So on this one we're doing 10 feet, 8 return. And that thing about PTFE, I mean, while it doesn't permeate and it supports a lot of different fuels like methanol, E85 and stuff like that, if you kink this, it will leak. So you gotta keep it somewhat straight, no hard turns, nothing like that.
Hello. Why didn't we get the black line? Black lines mattered.
It was cheaper to get these things.
Thank you for saving me money. First time in 100 times.
Save you money, but go home right now. What's up?
You guys ever seen a shop shark?
I don't like this 90 right here. I might have to get a different fitting that's just right off the regulator and go to the front of the other side of the rail. I need to win the lottery, man.
We all do.
Don't forget about me if you win the lottery.
If I win the lottery, I won't forget about you. I'll just tell you all about it. I'll come to work one more day.
Take a shit on Brian's desk.
No, Brian's a good friend to have. He's not a good friend, but he's a good friend to have. We went tubing on a pontoon boat this weekend, and I woke up and everything hurt.
Yeah, that'll do it. It's gonna get worse, buddy. How old are you?
23.
Yeah, wait till you turn 25. The day I turned 25, my knee hurt that morning for no reason whatsoever, and it has not stopped since then.
It's a DLC that finally finished downloading when you turned 25.
New skill acquired.
Uh-huh.
Lawn care. It's like I have this sudden urge to like buy some white New Balance shoes.
You know, I enjoy our drives to pick up parts, but then it leaves like the fourth competent person in charge, and that's what worries me.
If anything, it's kind of like a taste of what it's going to be like next week whenever I'm gone, whenever you're gone.
Where are we going? Are we dying?
Yes.
I mean, we are, but hopefully not next week. Foreshadowing.
Leave going to be our mole.
I got a mole on my inner thigh that you can look at.
Easy.
You're going to be like the Russian mole.
Oh. I thought you were going to schedule me a dermatologist appointment.
You need one?
Yeah. I got this weird growth where my dick should be, but it's a lot smaller.
At what age did your balls drop, Levi?
I'll let you know.
Oh, Jesus.
So, any takers on names?
La Chona is one.
Yeah, I like that one.
It just seems super beaner, which I'm cool with, you know. I think somebody else said like Ghost, which is cool. Depending on how you see it, like the Ghost from Mario or like an actual like spooky ghost. There's a bunch of other good ones. But again, you know, do we want to pick it and then it has to stay white? I mean, that would make sense for my wallet, but I usually don't do things that do. We need to get this truck running. I'm hoping that by the end of this video, it's running. We'll see, depending on when this video goes up. I'm not really in charge of that. I like that it takes 3 of us to go pick up 2 fittings.
Well, right now I'm serving the role as less than person.
Yeah, shut up, camera.
Hey, can you not put our life in jeopardy?
Bitch, I'm trying to get the GPS. Says the guy that's ran 2 red lights on camera.
What are you, my insurance broker? For the money we spent on these fittings, we could have sponsored a child in a foreign country. At least for a month or 2.
The money never makes it to the child.
Oh. What's for lunch, Levi? And don't say me, we're on camera. Whoa, mama. Dude, he would so get canceled in 2021. You're like, come here, baby. And he's like, fuck. We're like, hey, tits, nice tits. But they need to bring it back where it's just like an adult version.
They need to do like a live action.
Yeah, bro, imagine. Who would play live action Johnny Bravo? Chris Pratt.
Chris Pratt.
Bro, but like realistically, just fucking, just like huge up top and then the hair.
Yeah.
Like you ever watch The Umbrella Academy? Just have him built like the gorilla guy. Does it work? Why not?
Look how much clearance we have there.
Wow, look at all the space for activities. We can do some yoga. So I've decided this thing, 8 mile only. That's it.
Obviously, yeah, we gotta keep the motor alive. You think this bitch gonna survive a quarter-mile pass? Rod's feel like, Here, let's see if mine ricochets off the fucking seat.
Don't shoot them till you see the white in their eyes, George Washington Evans.
Oh, fuck!
That didn't even hurt. Cop stands. Freeze. Quit resisting. Go. Ow!
Oh, hi.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm kind of just laying everything out right now. It's not tight yet.
That's why I ship all the parts.
Oh boy, here he comes. Hi, friend. What are you doing?
Raw dogging life. No mask, no condom.
And a ball gag.
How come you don't have a Louisiana accent?
I tried really hard.
Not to have one?
Yep.
Do your parents have one?
Oh yeah.
I was kind of hyped whenever Ryan told me that you were from Louisiana. You were starting to work, and I was like, damn, that'd be cool. Cajun ass dude over here talking like Gambit off X-Men. Or like the crawfish boil guy off TikTok.
That's my stepdad.
That's your stepdad?
Yep.
He's like, let's get it, dude. That ain't going nowhere.
Have I caught you using the correct tool for the job?
Oh.
Wait, am I gonna get an STD?
Yep.
I've already got them all, so what comes next?
Death. Sick release.
I can't wait. It's getting so itchy.
What?
You boys like Mexico? Yeah!
So it starts. So that's a plus.
Sounds fucking good.
Sounds healthy. Good luck, everybody else. Should we show them the bigger turbos already or no?
What?
Oh, I forgot to tell you. You can have my harness. My Holly will be here this week.
Hey, and that was a cold start on the 85.
Started better than my car.
I like the way this turned out for the return system because the return line goes up and into the tank.
So whatever pressure has to go on.
Exactly. So that means that there's always going to be fuel in the rails for startup.
In pictures, the turbos don't look that big, but like right here, they look pretty beefy. The camera adds 10 pounds of boost. We'll be back. Bing!